First of all, go to your browser and search for RoPro and open RoPro extension in your browser extension store. Now just add this RoPro extension to your browser. Now make sure to pin the RoPro extension. Go back to your Roblox, reload your Roblox, and click on Verify RoPro User. Click this play button. Open Roblox Game Client. Click on Generate Verification Code and copy all of these emojis. Go back to your Roblox on browser. Paste here your copied emojis and click on Done to verify your RoPro user account. Once you're successfully verified, now just open any experience. On the experience page, you have to go to servers. In server, here you will find this section, My Recent Server. Under this My Recent Server, you will be able to see all your recent joined servers. So let's join any server from this experience. And now I'm just closing the game and going back to my experience and reloading my experience page from servers. Here it may take some minutes up to some hours to show all your recently joined servers in this My Recent Server list. Thanks for watching.